Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video, I share with you some English country style cottage decoration ideas. Let's see the video. English country style cottage decoration is one of the most soulful, warm, and emotionally comforting interior styles. And since you love vintage chic cottage and country style rustic farmhouse decor, this style fits perfectly with the kind of nostalgic, poetic home atmosphere you are deeply interested in. This decor style is inspired by the quiet countryside homes of rural elegant, where interiors are not designed for perfection, but for comfort, memory, and everyday beauty. Soft, nature-inspired color palette. English cottage homes always feel calm because of their muted natural tones. Choose warm green, dusty rose, sage green, pale lavender, butter yellow, soft sky blue. These colors create the same emotional softness found in vintage style cottage decor, making your home feel like a peaceful countryside morning. Comfortable, time-worn furniture. Forget modern sharp furniture. Use slightly distressed wooden tables, carved armchairs, slip-covered sofas, vintage cabinets, warm-painted dressers. The goal is to make furniture feel lived in, just like a generational countryside home. Floral and botanical textiles. This is the heart of English country cottage style. Decorate with floral printed curtains, scents, fabric cushions, lace tablecloths, patchwork quilts, embroidered pillow covers. These details add the emotional, sensory softness you often explore in the vintage chic cottage decoration themes. Layered vintage accessories. Layering is what brings storytelling into your room. Dry ceramic teapots, old frame printings, antique clocks, glass jars, vintage books, wicker baskets, brush candle holders. Each item should feel like it has a memory attached to it. Fresh or dried flowers. English cottages always bring the garden inside. Use fresh roses, lavender benches, wildflowers, eucalyptus stems, dried hydrangeas. Place them in mason jars, enamel jugs, vintage vases, old watering cans. Cozy window styling. Windows should feel memory and soft. Add light cotton cushion, lace panels, Roman belts, floral decors. Let natural light gently pass through, creating that romantic countryside glow. Start with a warm neutral base. Paint your walls in soft greens, warm beiges, light sage green, pale butter yellow. This creates the calm countryside mood inspired by rural homes of elegant and makes the small rooms feel airy. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.